Hi there, I'm Dushan, the electrician. Welcome to my website, Eco Power Services, EPS Electrical. During this years, I had quite a few people saying, "Oh, the electrician rewired all the place," but actually they didn't. Why? Because when I was doing my EICR, Electrical Installation Condition Report, I come across with a very old wiring apparently been replaced. But I give you little tips. For example, whatever you see in your house, these colors, okay, red and black, okay, that means the installation is older than 2007, 1st of January. After 1st of January 2007, the colors has been changed to brown and blue, as you can see. For example, this fuse board is mixed colors, which the owner been told that everything been rewired. Actually, it's not. You see, you're coming across all different type of electricians which they trying to cut corners. It's not good because the customer pays the money and you're expecting the job to be done in the right way. That means be careful. You can get on any kind of electricians, cowboys, some people say, but they want to earn quick money and they price the job unfairly against the proper qualified electricians. We are registered with is it Alexa, NAPIT or NICIC. They do it for cheap, but after, you see, you get these consequences which they're cutting the corners and they don't do their job in a right manner, proper craftsmanship, and yeah, leave you with not job done in right in the first place. I hope this video is gonna help you in the future when you do rewiring, what you can spot the difference. Is your house been rewired fully or part of it being cut corners? Once again, if you see red and black cables, that means that's old installation. Everything these days needs to be in brown and blue. Yeah, follow me on the next video. I will post quite often to meet you with all different problems people and landlords getting across. Have a lovely day, all the best, and see you soon. Bye bye.